An auto insurance claim letter can be important when you need to formally notify your insurance company about an accident and request coverage for the resulting damage or losses. After a collision, important details can be difficult to organize, and delays or missing information can complicate the claims process. A clear claim letter creates a written record of the incident, identifies your policy and vehicle, explains what happened, and tells the insurer what assistance or next steps you are requesting. When submitting an auto insurance claim, the strongest letter focuses on accurate facts, rather than assumptions about who was at fault or what the insurer must pay. Providing complete accident details and supporting evidence can make it easier for the claims department to investigate the incident and evaluate your claim. So, here is how to write it. Sender information. Start by writing your personal contact information at the top of the letter. This section identifies the policyholder and gives the insurance company a direct way to contact you throughout the claims process. Make sure your name and contact information are accurate and consistent with your insurance policy. Date. After your contact information, write the date. For example, August 21st, 2026. The date establishes when you formally submitted the claim letter and creates a clear record for your insurance file. Recipient information. Next, write the information for the insurance company's claims department. This directs your letter to the department responsible for receiving and processing insurance claims. If you already have the name of a specific claims representative, you can address the letter directly to that person. Subject line. Now write a clear subject line. For example, subject, auto insurance claim for August 17, 2026 accident. The subject immediately tells the insurer why you are contacting them and identifies the accident date. Including the date of the accident can make it easier for the claims department to locate the correct incident in its records. Salutation. Address the claims representative professionally. For example, Dear Claims Representative. This is an appropriate formal greeting when you do not know the name of the person who will review your claim. Opening paragraph. Now explain why you are writing. For example, I am writing to formally submit a claim under my auto insurance policy following an accident involving my vehicle on August 17, 2026 at approximately 4:35 p.m. The accident occurred while I was driving my vehicle near the intersection of Colfax Avenue and York Street in Denver, Colorado. This opening paragraph immediately identifies the purpose of the letter and provides the most basic information about the incident. It is important to state the accident date, approximate time, and reason for contacting the insurer clearly because these details help establish the beginning of your claim. Keep this paragraph factual and concise, especially if the following sections will provide more detailed information. Insurance information. Next, provide your policy and vehicle information. For example, my insurance information is as follows. Policyholder, Nathaniel Brooks. Policy number, EM-48271936. Vehicle, 2022 Honda Accord Touring. Vehicle registration, CO-BRK-482. Claim number, not yet assigned. This section gives the insurance company the information needed to identify your policy and vehicle. Including the policy number is particularly important because the claims department can use it to locate your coverage and account information more efficiently. If a claim number has already been assigned, include it here. If you have not received one yet, you can state that it has not yet been assigned. Accident description paragraph. Now explain what happened during the accident. For example, the accident occurred at the intersection of Colfax Avenue and York Street in Denver, Colorado. I was traveling eastbound on Colfax Avenue when another vehicle entered the intersection and collided with the passenger side of my vehicle. The other vehicle was a 2020 Ford Escape operated by James Peterson. I exchanged insurance and contact information with the other driver at the scene, and the incident was reported to the Denver Police Department. This paragraph is one of the most important parts of the claim because it gives the insurer a factual account of the incident. Describe where the accident happened, what you were doing immediately before the collision, what happened during the incident, and the other vehicles or parties involved. Avoid adding assumptions, exaggerations, or statements about legal responsibility unless you are certain they are appropriate. Simply describe what you personally know happened. Damage and injury paragraph. Next, explain the damage and any injuries resulting from the accident. For example, as a result of the collision, my vehicle sustained significant damage to the passenger side doors, front passenger fender, side mirror, and lower body panel. The vehicle was towed from the scene to Mountain View Auto Repair for an initial inspection. I did not sustain any injuries in the accident, and no medical treatment was required. This paragraph tells the insurer what losses resulted from the accident. If there were injuries, describe them accurately and include relevant medical information or documentation where appropriate. If there were no injuries, state that clearly. You should also describe visible vehicle damage without exaggerating its extent. A repair estimate, inspection report, or photographs can provide additional evidence. Police report and supporting documentation. Now explain what evidence you are providing with the claim. For example, I reported the incident to the Denver Police Department, and the report number is 26-184729. I have also attached photographs showing the accident scene and damage to my vehicle, a copy of the police report, a repair estimate from Mountain View Auto Repair, the other driver's insurance information, and witness contact information. This paragraph is important because supporting evidence allows the insurer to investigate the circumstances and evaluate the claim. Depending on the situation, your supporting documents may include photographs, police reports, repair estimates, medical records, witness information, vehicle registration documents, or other relevant records. Organize your documentation carefully and make sure the information you provide is accurate and directly related to the accident. Request for claim review. Next, clearly explain what you are requesting from the insurance company. For example, I respectfully request that you review my claim and provide information regarding the next steps in the claims process, including any required vehicle inspection, damage assessment, or additional documentation. I would also appreciate confirmation of the coverage available under my policy and information regarding the estimated timeline for processing the claim. This paragraph turns your letter from a simple description of the accident into a formal request for action. You are asking the insurer to review the claim, explain the next steps, determine what additional information may be required, and provide information about applicable coverage and processing. Keep the request professional and allow the insurance company to complete its investigation and coverage determination. Cooperation paragraph. Now confirm that you are willing to cooperate with the claims process. For example, please contact me at 303-555-6184 or nathaniel.brooks@email.com if you require any additional information. I am available to cooperate fully with the investigation, arrange an inspection of my vehicle, provide additional documentation, and answer any questions necessary to support the review of my claim. This paragraph shows that you are prepared to cooperate and provide the information the insurer needs. It also gives the claim's representative convenient contact information, which can help prevent unnecessary delays. Responding promptly to reasonable requests from the insurer can help keep the claim moving through the review process. Thank you paragraph. Then conclude the letter professionally. For example, thank you for your time and assistance in reviewing my claim. I appreciate your attention to this matter and look forward to receiving information regarding the next steps in the claims process and working with your team toward a prompt resolution. This closing paragraph expresses appreciation while reinforcing that you are waiting for the insurer's response. A professional and cooperative closing helps maintain a clear tone throughout the claims process. Now close the letter properly. For example, sincerely Nathaniel Brooks. This is your formal closing and identifies the policyholder submitting the claim. Before submitting your auto insurance claim letter, carefully review the accident date, time, location, policy number, vehicle information, damage description, police report number, and supporting documents. Make sure your description is factual and consistent with the evidence you are providing, and keep a copy of the complete claim letter and all attachments for your records. If your insurer has a specific claim form or reporting procedure, make sure you complete that process as well, because a letter may supplement the claim rather than replace the insurer's required forms. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. See you in the next video.